Hi, I'm Brian Anderson from Coasphere Electronics, and I'm here to talk about how our engineering helps your design go from concept to reality. And today we're going to talk about thick film and thin film resistors. Traditionally, if you wanted a precision resistor with a tight resistance tolerance and a low temperature coefficient, then you would use a thin film resistor. Thin films are made in a special chamber that deposits the element atom by atom, creating a resistive element that's only a few hundred nanometers in thickness, but that is very precise in terms of resistance and in terms of TCR, or temperature coefficient of resistance. However, this special process means that it is a slow part to manufacture, and it also means that we need special equipment and clean rooms in order to make that, especially in a time when supply chains are limited and we need to get equipment in. There are long lead times to expand production for these parts. So what COA has done has introduced a precision thick film resistor called the RS73. The RS73 is made in a screen printing process like other thick film resistors in a normal factory environment at a much higher throughput. This allows us to expand production for thick films much faster than it can for thin films. The RS73 is available in 0.1% resistance tolerance and has a temperature coefficient down to 25 ppm per degree, parts per million per degree Celsius. If you're creating a precision voltage divider with widely varying resistance values, or if you have the possibility of a strong electrostatic discharge, thin film resistors are usually the best for those applications. But if what you need is simply a resistor that has a precise resistance value and doesn't change much over temperature, the RS73 thick film should be in your toolkit. It won't be quite as stable as a thin film part like the RS73R, but on the other hand, because it's ceramic and glass, it doesn't have any issues with high temperature or high humidity. If you'd like to know more, our engineering team would be happy to discuss the parts and the differences between them with you. It's just another way that we help make your concept a better reality.